Calais.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Allison and I'm here to do a little natural beat on my face today. In my previous video I did an eyebrow tutorial and I had a couple people ask me to just show them a couple products and do a natural beat. So that's the plan for today. So please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with people you know who are interested in a little natural beat. You ready? Let's go. So first things first, we're putting this hair up because we don't want my hair to interfere with my look. So we'll put this up for now. Let's go. Brow wiz. Next, MAC concealer, NC42. We'll finish up with the brows later. Let's get into some foundation. This is the best foundation ever. My concealer. This is for contour. Right around the forehead. Let me stop. So we're gonna go back with this. Next step, you see we get in there with his face, right? We get in there. We get in there using my setting powder by Huda Beauty. Blondie. Blondie. Get into this blondie. Ooh, 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 ooh. We ain't even done yet, but you know. So I'm gonna take the time right now to just touch up my eyebrows a little bit. My blush. To get this highlight, right? Becca. This is all broken up and nasty, so I'm not gonna show y'all. And this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a clear brow gel. Let me see if you can see it. This is a clear brow gel. You just put it over your brows. It smells interesting. You don't have to do this, honestly. You really don't have to do this part. I put a little like powder. It's the same color. It's by Makeup Forever. Just it's the same color as my skin, just to like even out everything. Little liquid eyeliner to get into this look. Almost done. Now, this is really cheap. My mom bought this for me. It's just some mascara. Wet n Wild, nothing crazy. Just all right, you guys, so I tried to put lashes on, but my glue is really cheap. I don't know where my regular glue is. Disappears, whatever. So I had bought some glue and it's awful, so we cut that out. But I did apply more mascara since I'm not wearing lashes on my bottom, and I did put more on my top for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but whatever, it is what it is. We got to work with what we got, and that's what we'll do. So a little brown, like I always tell you guys, I put brown for my natural looks. Right up. I'm so mad about my lashes because I went to 4 different stores to get some glue and they only had this terrible glue, and now I can't even put them on for you guys. So I guess I'll make a special video on how to do that another day. I'm so upset about that. Whatever. Maybe some more. Fenty. This is just her clear glass slipper. Glass slipper. Gotta love Rihanna. Love this gloss. So cute. Now my final touch. I add a little razzle dazzle to my eyebrow. This is Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow. I haven't used this in years. This is probably one of my first highlights I got. I don't really use it. I put a little bit right under my brow. So how do you guys feel about my natural little bead? I know I did a lot. You guys don't have to do it. You guys can like kind of cut it up into do what you want to do. But I do what I usually do when I do it. This is natural for me, like a natural bead. Like I don't have any crazy eyeshadow on or anything like overpowering. So this is why I call it natural. There's always shortcuts to everything. And let me take down my hair. My hair is from the one and only Kendra's Boutique. I love Kendra's Boutique. I've been wearing her hair since like 2013. I love this hair so much. 30 inches, never shorter. You feel me? Maybe longer, but never shorter. That's it, period. 30 inches.
I know that's right.
But, and this is my second install with this hair. I always just put silicone on my hair, let it sit for a couple days, wash it out if I'm ever reusing hair, and it works like magic. Like this is like better than my first install. You never even notice. But this is my look. And I'm not even going anywhere. I have to go on Zoom and do my nursing school. I ain't going nowhere. This is about to get taken off. But I just want to show you guys what I do for my natural looks. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I already told you guys what to do. You guys should already know what to do. And please stay tuned. And please tell me what you guys want from me as far as content-wise, or I'm going to start dropping some random videos. And y'all just going to have to watch, okay? Thank you guys once again. See ya. And